Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Because you've been here since the daytime link. You're still here. You stepped out, got some grub, came back, chilled back in the office, and returned all these folks' phone calls. I mean, the phone calls early on this afternoon was amazing. The phones was going bananas. Everyone wants to purchase. Everyone wants to refinance by choosing the #1 banker, and that's First Republic Mortgage Bankers. So, folks, Eddie Albert, he's still live and direct in the studios, here to help you, willing and able. Don't matter about your credit. Past credit problems are understood at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Now, Eddie, let's speak about to all these folks. Let's speak to all the folks right now about the FHA Secure that Bush brought out a few weeks ago, and how it can help all these folks out there right now who are getting into issues paying their mortgage. They're 30 days, 60 days, 90 days behind, and Bush decided to push out this program called the FHA Secure. What are the benefits of this program, and how can it help all these folks out there in the tri-state right now listening to us on Link Up Radio, the early ride home?
Absolutely. This is perfect timing right now. With this new program, what it does is a lot of people that took these adjustables 2, 3, 4 years ago ran into some problems when they adjusted. But now there's some leniency by the federal government saying that, you know what, it's okay if you were late on your mortgage. We're going to convert those high adjustables and we're going to let you refinance to an FHA-backed limited loan.
Right.
The bottom line is you're going to get a great low rate, and right now we can offer 5.875 at First Republic, and that's going to save all those borrowers that took out these adjustables the last 2, 3, 4 years, and they're changing right now, and they're going up in payments. People are really getting stressed out over this, but there is a solution. And all you need to do is really pick up the phone and let us evaluate it. But there is a lot of hope out there for you folks, and there's a lot of people that took those adjustables, Sean, the last 3, 4, 5 years. And now they're adjusting. It seemed great in the beginning. You know what? You get this low payment. But every year they creep up and they creep up. And now there's some big jumps for these people. And these borrowers that had these adjustables, now they're seeing their mortgage payment go up 5, 7. I had a woman that jumped up $900. That's a heck of a lot of money.
A lot of cash.
That's a lot of cash. So you need to really, really sit down. This is a great time. The fall is always a great time before you file your taxes. Get yourself in gear. Get off the couch. Pull out some of that paperwork.
Right.
And
as the cell phone blaze. It's all right. It's all right, Eddie. Don't worry about it.
They want me still.
I know they.
Bankers always calling me. But this is a great time to get rid of that stress. Pull out the paperwork. Give us a call. Call me in the studio. Call me at the bank. Call the other loan offices. But we can definitely help you if you make the call. And it's very simple. We want to convert those high interest rate credit cards. We want to get rid of those car loans for you. And we want to simplify your life, because when I sit down, most people, most borrowers, when you tell them you only have one payment a month to make,
right,
they're okay. That's a cool thing. Like, you know what? People come in here with 7, 8, 9 bills, and you say, you know what? You're not going to sit down for an hour, 2 hours, and write these bills out the first of the month. We're going to make it real easy for you. One payment, tax deductible, 5.875. Sean, it doesn't get any better than that.
It doesn't.
30% to 5.875. Look at those credit cards.
Sweet. Folks, reach out to Eddie Albert. He's live and direct in the building. 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. If this profile is you got to make the phone call right now. Link up with Eddie Albert, loan officer from First Republic Mortgage Bankers, for all your purchasing, all your refinancing needs. Because, Eddie, you know, I'm one of them, you know. I'm the type of guy, you know, enjoy the summer, you know, spend money.
Absolutely.
You know, not, you know, like to have fun, but yet still not thinking about the end of the month, got to pay the bills, this credit card got to be paid. But yeah, still I'm lingering, I'm pondering, let it wait till next week. Then the next week comes, you're still in the same situation. We wait and procrastinate until we get stuck. And then that's when we start running around with our head cut off and all and things like that. But Bush realized the situation that's taking place in the US of A. He decided to come out with the FHA Secure to help all these folks who are in problems like this. You know, people have kids, they got to feed the kid.
Absolutely.
And the whole family. So Bush did a great job. He brought the program out, FHA Secure, to help all these folks right now who are 30 days, 60 days, 90 days behind on their mortgage. So we're glad that you guys over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers have this program available for all these folks out there in the community and beyond, to show them and let them know there's still hope. There's no need to give up the home, and you guys are doing a tremendous job over at First Republic Mortgage Bankers, man.
We want you to keep your house. And the one thing I always stress at seminars is really only one thing with buying and owning a home. The only important factor is the mortgage payment affordable? Is the home I'm buying, can I afford it?
Right.
And when you find the program that makes living in your home affordable, you found the keys to success.
Sweet.
And that's what it is. It's affordability. I'm a value investor myself. It has to be affordable. I don't buy it. Bottom line.
Right.
And that's what I do for my clients. I shop for the best mortgage I can get them, the best program that they qualify for.
Absolutely.
And I will save them money.
Absolutely.
And I take pride. Anytime I can save people $300, $500, $700 a month, that's a beautiful thing.
Better than nothing.
That's great.
So, folks, we got Eddie Albert live and direct from First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Make the call right now. He's in the building. Eddie gonna let you go, grab the phone lines, play some music, and bring you back in the studios once more. All right, my friend?
Okay.
All right, 718-325-5555. That's 718. You all right, Eddie? You good?
I'm good.
All right, man. I know the phone lines are scaring you, but I don't want you to hurt yourself, all right? We don't have no money over here. All right. 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Make the phone call right now for all your purchasing and all your refinancing needs. Eddie Alba, man. Mr. Superman is in the building himself. He's been here since the daytime link. He's willing and able to help you with all your problems. You got to make the call right now. And always remember, past credit problems are understood at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. But you got to speak with Eddie, the loan officer, in the building. 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Make the phone call right now, folks. Don't be left behind.